Find or read reviews that people are talking about Puri Tech Parisian Dune 24x52 round above ground pool package. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Built to last. Built to withstand the elements, this durable above-ground pool features premium-gauge hot-dipped galvanized steel pool wall, stabilizer rails and bottom rails that are coated to resist corrosion. This ensures long-lasting performance, even in varying weather conditions, so you can enjoy worry-free pool ownership year after year. Elegant dune pattern. Standing 52 inches high, the pool wall features an elegant dune pattern with transverse ridges in a soothing light gray tone, adding a touch of style to your outdoor space. Crafted in North America, this pool is built with superior materials to ensure years of durability and enjoyment. Strength and stability. The steel frame, finished in pewter gray, is designed for maximum strength and stability, making it a reliable choice for an above-ground pools. The 6-inch wide steel top ledges and 6-inch steel uprights provide a firm foundation, while resin top connectors complete the frame for a polished and sophisticated appearance. Unbeatable value. Designed for affordability without sacrificing quality, this above-ground pool is backed by a premier warranty for added confidence in your investment. Bring home the perfect backyard entertainment solution that combines style, durability, and family fun. Minimal maintenance. Featuring a gray wide-mouth through-wall skimmer, includes all gaskets, hose adapters, face plates, and fittings, this pool ensures efficient water circulation and cleanliness. The 19-inch sand filter system with a powerful 1 HP pump removes debris with ease, keeping your water crystal clear. DIY friendly, but getting help from a pro can make things even easier. Made in America. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.